Same story over here. The only thing that we need to consider is one thing while simplifying our ratios. So this right here will be the hypotenuse. I'm going to call this x for a moment, and this one y. So let's find what x is. We're going to have x squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. That means that 3 squared is equal to x squared plus 2 squared. 9 is equal to x squared plus 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to x squared. 5 is equal to x squared, making x the square root of 5. We're not going to find the decimal approximation. We keep it as the square root of 5. Now sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite what? If this is theta, is opposite to this side, making this the adjacent and the hypotenuse up there. So opposite is 2, hypotenuse is 3. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so square root of 5 over 3. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so 2 over the square root of 5. And cosecant just are reciprocals. 3 over 2, 3 over the square root of 5, and 5 over the square root of 2. Now, we're going to rationalize our answers. We're not going to keep those radicals in the denominator here and right here. How do we get rid of those? You might remember this little trick right here, multiplying by the same radical, or a 1 that we're disguising as the square root of 5 over the square root of 5. If you multiply by 1, you're not altering the fraction. You're just rewriting it. 2 times the square root of 5 stays that way, and square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 5 squared, so that's 5. Same is going to be done with the other fraction. We want to multiply by the square root of 5, top and bottom. We're not doing anything. We're just multiplying by 1. We're just rewriting as 3 times the square root of 5 over 5. Now, sine of beta, still opposite over hypotenuse, but beta is up there. So which side is the opposite? The one in front of it. Adjacent. So if the opposite is now the square root of 5, square root of 5 over 3. Now 2 over 3, square root of 5 over 2, 3 over the square root of 5, 3 over 2, and 2 divided by the square root of 5. Which one required rationalization? Those two. And they're going to end up as 3 times the square root of 5 over 5, 2 times the square root of 5 over 5. And that's it.